Style your hair with simple homemade hair gel. Women or men, these days even kids' fashion means a good hairstyle. To have that, people spend lots of their hard-earned money just for hair spas. But now making a hair gel at home is simple and easy. With a little bit of patience and some practice, any one of you can prepare a hair gel at home with simple home ingredients. No hard work or effort is required. Style your hair daily using the homemade hair gel. The ingredients used to prepare the gel are simple. You might already have them at home. If not, you can go to your nearby departmental store to get it. This simple yet wonderful hair gel recipe can be prepared right at your home using flax seeds. Required ingredients: 2 tablespoons of whole flax seeds, 1 cup of water, 1/2 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, and a few drops of essential oil. Steps to follow to prepare flaxseed gel. Boil the water first. Add the whole flax seeds to the boiling water. Stir it continuously. This may take about 5 minutes. Flax seeds do not take more than 5 minutes to dissolve in the water. Ensure that you keep stirring once you have added the flax seeds to the water. This assists the process to be quick. When the solution begins to look like a gel, remove it from the burner. Strain it using a fine strainer, and let it cool down. Pour it in a small bottle with a pump once it has cooled down. You can add aloe vera gel to this gel if you want. Aloe vera would make the gel thin and also give it nourishing properties that would be beneficial for your hair. You can also add essential oil to the mixture. Give the bottle a good shake before use and the gel is ready.